Hello everybody and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today we have the Boker Burnley Kihon Drop Point Automatic. Overall, 7.75 inches. Blade is 3.25 inches. It's an automatic knife with a push button plunger lock made in China. And it's tip up, right hand only. Got this a couple months ago, and I'm now doing the review. This blade reminds me of the blade shape from Halloween, the movie. Aus 8 blade steel. Not D2, sorry if I said that. They do have a D2 version. And to close it, you just push this button and use your other hand and a thumb to close it. I know the centering is not great at all, but it still works. And we're going to do a cut test with this. In my state, since May, which is Missouri, since May, they allowed automatic knives to be carried in town. I'm going to show you, I'm folding my paper, I'm going to show you how good this is. Watch your hands. See, it can do this, and then you go here and you want to cut it off. So let's see, it's the third time I'm cutting this right now with this knife. Go like this, hold on, sorry, I gotta make sure I got the right angle in here. So I don't want to cut myself. That would really hurt if you cut yourself. See, it's kind of like cold out here, so. Yep, it cuts. This knife is drop point, stonewash blade, and we're gonna compare it to some knives. To the LK6 from Camillus, the the Boker automatic, the Boker Burnley Plus automatic is bigger compared to the Tucson TS16. The TS16 is bigger. Compared to the VG10 Delica 4, the Boker is bigger, but not by much. I mean, like an inch to a half inch. I'm going to check it out with the Kaiser backlighter. Kaiser is bigger. Kaiser backlighter is bigger. And we'll give it a buck knife to check it out with the Buck Sprint Select. The Buck Sprint Select is barely smaller, like a half inch to 0.75, I believe. And this knife was a Blade HQ exclusive, as I've heard. This is how you hold it in your hand. You can choke up like this if you need to go in there. Even do this. But overall, it's a good knife. Let me close it for you. Show the pocket clip. Stiff pocket clip. But it works. I'm going to show you how to open it. Let me get more on camera though. The spring, the coil spring is really good, they say. My first automatic knife. So